Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can copy your GitHub repository link and share it. So for that you need to go github.com, just type in your browser github.com and you will see this type of dashboard. If you don't see this type of dashboard, just log in with your credential. After login, you will see the dashboard and you will see the top right corner your profile picture. Just click on it, click repositories. Here you can see all the repository that you create. Just select any repository that you want to share. I'll select this one. Now you can see the code. Click on the code and here you can see HTTPS and also your GitHub repository link. Just copy it and share it wherever you would like. Thank you.